वो प्रसाद का है, देन आपको ये भी लेके जाना है, ये भी लेके जाना है।
प्रसाद का क्या है?
करेक्टर
तो प्रसाद देके गया वापस आके?
आने वाला इधर ही कर रहा है उसका, इधर वो आएगा ऐसे ही।
क्यों?
क्योंकि वो यही गया, वो मेरा स्कूटी लेके गया। मैं कैसे घर जाऊँ?
वेरी गुड।
तो मैं यही
उसका स्कूटी कहाँ चला गया? बेच दिया क्या उसने उसका स्कूटी?
उसका भाई लेके गया।
अरे शिट यार, आई एम लाइव बाय द वे।
तो मैं यही
उसका स्कूटी कहाँ चला गया? बेच दिया क्या उसने उसका स्कूटी? ओह वाओ। हर बार प्रसाद के साथ ऐसा होता है। आई डिस्कस अबाउट प्रसाद एंड इट गोज लाइव। ठीक है। एक दिन तो पता है प्रसाद के साथ क्या किया मैंने? उसका स्क्रीनशॉट दिखा दिया था मैंने लाइव चैट में। So today I discussing about his scooty. Okay guys, hi, how are you all? So I hope you all are able to hear me properly. I was able to hear myself very properly. By the way, if you guys have never seen the campus that I and my team run, okay, an offline campus, but today I am in this campus for you guys to learn your last essentials day today about data analytics part. Okay, so where are you? Are you guys there now? Yes, in. Can I just go ahead? Okay, fine. So I hope you guys are all able to hear me properly. सर ऑफलाइन आके पढ़ सकते हैं आपसे? अरे यार, आई रन अ वेरी मैसिव इंजीनियरिंग कॉलेज. ओके, इन दिस इंजीनियरिंग कॉलेज, बाय एवरीवन. दरवाज़ा लगा दे. थैंक यू. सो बाय द वे, दिस इज़ आवर क्लासरूम. ओके, सो व्हाट फ्रॉम वेयर आई एम करंटली बीन शोइंग यू दिस इज़ आवर क्लासरूम. So this is where our students study, and we are currently working on various projects. One of the project is like master's degree. One of the project is like our PG programs. Then we have BTech running. We have BDS running. Okay, and all these things. So these all programs are run in this particular campus. Do you guys like the campus? Okay, do you guys literally like the campus? Okay. Now coming towards the entire thing, right? What is it? It is about this particular program and all. So we are on 5th day. Today we are supposed to learn Matplot library. Okay, that is plotting library. Now this plotting library has got very basic things. It is no rocket science. Actually, if I go by even explaining everything which is written in notes, that will get over in half an hour or something. So first I would like to go ahead, talk about our certain programs. Then any doubts that you are having, you can ask me that. Post you are done asking your doubts, then we will go ahead to like doing our doing our proper session. Okay, because I have completed the file also, the session file, even before joining in. Okay, so here is my session file. So I was just doing all the session files, and I've completed entire part that we have got. Okay, how you can run this and what kind of data you can get and all. Okay, so even after running it, it's like these are the kind of graphs that you can build with the help of Matplotlib to represent, to visualize the entire effort. Okay, that thing we'll do. So first let's complete this entire syllabus, and then we will go and discuss. Okay, this idea is good, sure. So first we'll complete this syllabus, then we will do lots of discussions if you guys want to. Sure? Okay. So yes or a no, so please tell me in the chat. Okay. Okay, clear. So I'll open your this thing. Yesterday we have literally done a very good job in terms of analyzing data by asking right set of questions everywhere. But here, so the number one thing that we have to do is connect. It is already connected. Good. Now today's our entire agenda out of our notes is like basics of plotting with Matplot library. Okay, Matplot library. Clear? Matplot library is widely used Python library for creating static interactive graphs. Okay, graph based on the data that you provide it. Are we clear? Based on the data that you provide, it will give you the charts. Okay, yesterday we guys were playing with real-time data. Okay, we were playing with actual real-time data. Okay, now let's just go ahead again, import the file. Okay, yesterday I think we have opened this particular file and we have run the entire analytics part on this. So let's just go ahead again, import this, and usi file ke upar na, on top of that file we will try to create certain graphs, maybe after going a little ahead. Okay, so fine. I hope now you guys can see this particular screen. Okay, I'm running all the queries that we were running yesterday. Fine. So these all are run. Yesterday only we did this. Fine. Now the point is, what is Pandas? What did we learn yesterday? कल अपन ने सीखा क्या? Tell me that फटाफट से in the chat. प्रांजल कुमार द्विवेदी, मुझे प्लेसमेंट चाहिए सर, ये अकेला टाइप करके स्पैम मत करो. ओके, सो आई गेट योर कंसर्न. टू गेट प्लेसमेंट, how you can crack placements, we will discuss that entire point towards the end of it. Just wait, thoda hold on, and then we will take it ahead. Clear? This particular question. Now yesterday what did we do in Pandas? Question number 1. I'm reading your chat and this chat is getting spammed by the same thing. I'm getting distracted. I'm sorry. I will not focus on your chat for a little while. मैं तुम्हारे chat के ऊपर थोड़ा सा focus नहीं करूँगा क्योंकि मैं focus ही नहीं कर पा रहा, मैं बोल ही नहीं पा रहा हूँ यार. So मैं थोड़ा सा नहीं कि तुम्हारे क्लास पे focus कर लेता हूँ, उसके बाद हमने के सब बात करेंगे. The number one thing that we have is Pandas क्या है? Where do we use Pandas? So we started our entire journey with data analysis part. Okay, inside data analysis part we understood one thing, कि data analysis is all about this rather than knowing the tool. Yes, so even before getting into Pandas, what we did is we downloaded some real-time data. We saw that data in an Excel sheet, and after seeing that data in an Excel sheet, then we started understanding कि अच्छा जो Excel जिस तरीके का डेटा स्लाइसिंग जल्दी नहीं दे सकता, द काइंड ऑफ डेटा स्लाइसिंग दैट एक्सेल कांट गिव फास्ट, ओके, इन अ वेरी फास्ट मैनर, दैट वी कैन गेट यूजिंग Pandas, right? Then we have implemented tons of queries. We have written down our questions first in the notebook, and after writing down those questions, then we got answers for each and every question. That is what we have achieved so far. Agree? Clear? Every one of you? Every one of you, you guys agree? Okay. Pandas start where Excel ends. Ravi is saying nice. Then in Pandas, we saw certain queries to get the data from a particular range, to sort certain data, to filter certain data. Okay. And also we saw that give me the top so many numbers. Okay. Give me then we have also done Pandas के अंदर map feature. Okay, we have also completed map feature. And post that we have also seen that after getting the map feature done, if we just want certain things out of the Pandas, let's say I only want platinum grade. Platinum तो अपन ने map किया column. After mapping this particular column, we said only I want this platinum का list. So this list it gave already. And now on this list, if I solve engagement, if I solve business ka problem, automatically my business will go up. Okay, that is the insight out of this entire thing. Okay, of Pandas. Now based on this, we will derive certain values. I think even before deriving, let's just go ahead and continue with your basic Matplotlib first. Then we will run this particular thing again. We will get certain data and we will plot it back in the graph. Okay? Clear? पहले अपन basic Matplotlib करेंगे, फिर उस Matplotlib में कल वाला data कैसे लेके आ सकते हैं, that we will see. Okay? That is what our end-to-end agenda is today. We run this import matplot library dot pyplot as plt. Okay. Even before we go ahead, we need certain data points. Now, what are these data points? These data points are days and temperature. Now, what is days and temperature? If you see this particular file, what is written? Try understanding what is written. Okay, if you see this, you'll understand that it has got two lists, days 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 okay 8, then fine, take 8, चलो 8 9 10 भी डाल देते हैं, 8 9 10. Then उसके बाद we are writing temperature. So temperature on day 1, how much the temperature is, you guys write it down in the chat. Let's say temperature on day 1 is 34 degrees Celsius. Then day 2, the temperature has become 33 degrees Celsius. Then again it became 27, let's say. Okay, then it became 18. Then it became 12. Then it became 6. How many happened? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then post that again it went to 33. Okay, then it became 42. Okay, how many are done now? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. More two temperatures, 16. And give me one more input in the chat, fatafat. Give me one more input. Give me one more input ASAP, guys. Temperature, I need one more input. I'm waiting for your chat. I don't know, 39. Done. Clear? So days and temperature is done. Length of days is how much and length of temp is how much? 10 10. Okay, fine. Okay, both are right. Length of both are right. Then plt dot then we can basically give data like plot. Okay, so basic thing, plot, you just have to pass days as x-axis, temperature as y-axis, temp. Okay, it will automatically print a particular graph. A graph aa gaya. Okay, sorted. Like this graph, this kind of graph we never see in anywhere, because temperatures don't go like this. Temperatures grow gradually up, gradually down. Na? So this graph is not right, technically speaking. Okay, so this graph is actually not right. This is wrong graph, but still fine. Okay. Just for fun, we made this particular graph. Now this is a proper line graph. Okay, line graph. It is following from here. Then we can track the line, go. Then we can track the particular line and we can go ahead. Then let's have the other scatter plot. Now what is a scatter plot? Scatter plot, okay, even before going to scatter plot, we need to give certain this thing. We also need to assign plt dot title. Okay, title of the graph. Title of the graph is days versus temperature. Okay, then automatically what happened? It is giving now days versus temperature in the title. Now I want to write down plt dot x क्या यार x लेबल ना आना चाहिए, बड़ा x है क्या, x label x is what, days. Okay, so let's see, is there any kind of a change? क्या हो गया भाई, x, it should work. Did I do EL or LE? I think Y label. Okay, Y label, it is temperature. Okay, X label, Y label, temperature. Done. So see, यहाँ temperature लिख के आ रहा है, यहाँ पे days लिख के आ रहा है. Now if you want to show the particular plot, you can say show feature. Now because it is Google Colab, it is automatically printing the output, but technically, you know, you need to input, you need to do this. Until unless you don't do this, that printing will not happen. Clear? Okay, clear? इतना सा कोड लिखने पे तुम्हारा डेटा पूरा एकदम प्लॉट हो जा रहा है. Okay, fine. Now we will go ahead and play with plt dot scatter, SCA. ठीक है, scatter plot. Okay, SCATER scatter, same days and temperature. Okay, let's try it. It is working. So see, scatter plot is like your dots. You will only see dots on each and every value where you are having. Okay, now if you want this scatter plot to have a title, again title like days versus temperature. Okay, then plt dot x label days. Okay, अरे यार मैं एंटर मारने की जा रहा हूँ ना, आई एम रनिंग इट. y label. Are you able to do this? Are you able to do this along with me? It's very easy, right? I'm sorry. Days, then उसके बाद क्या है, temperature, then you have got plt dot show. Fine. So see, you will have this entire temperature, days versus temperature, entire thing like properly working. Now this is second is scatter plot. Now then next what we have, we had a bar chart. Okay, let's go ahead, implement the same thing. One more time, I'll do it from the very start. plt dot bar, okay, bar days temperature. Okay, it's working. plt dot title, it is like days versus tmp. Arey yaar, why am I doing this? plt.x label days, then plt.y label, that is temperature, then plt.show. Fine, it is entirely working. So see, now there is a bar chart. ऐसा bar chart कभी देखा है क्या? It goes like it is like my marks or something. Okay, maybe we'll do that entire thing. Okay, how can we predict next day temperature given on given date? For that you need to come to our machine learning essentials program. This program is only data analysis part. Data analysis part is like, okay fine, how can we visualize the data, how can we query the data, that part. We have yesterday queried the data, today we are learning how to show the data. So we are already done, almost there in the essentials basic part of these two things. It is just that machine learning essentials we will start. That time you will be able to use that thing. Clear? Sorted? Now next that you have a histogram. Now histogram is a particular thing which shows you the distribution, where is your entire mass concentrated. Okay, so for example, histogram only takes one this thing. Okay, one list, it doesn't take two variables. So I will take the temperature one. Okay, temperature, fine, this is the temperature. It is all over the place, but still we will do this. Okay, plt.hist, okay, that is temp. Then you also need to give it beams and edge color and all you can specify. Okay, I am giving it the exact copy paste. Let's see what's the output. The beans is like, see now it is just showing what histogram. It is showing ki haan yaar, in the range of like 27 to 35 you have highest amount of data. In the range of like 27 to 35 you have highest number of data in this thing. So that is what it is showing to us right now. Okay, clear? It is using this black color edge because I have mentioned edge color black. Okay, so what all default colors are there, please tell me in the chat. We will check it out. Okay, beams is like it is using 5, 10, 15, 20 and all. If I do beams is equal to 1, let's see what happens. It is like entire thing is one thing. Maybe we'll do 10. That time what will happen? Okay, it is giving more space. It is taking more separation. Now what is this bins? Let's understand it. I think it is the space between the concentration that we are adding in terms of like bins. We will ask ChatGPT because I also don't know much about what is that bins. Okay, what is bins in this line of code? See, to be very honest, if you guys are like not using ChatGPT the way you guys should use, so please start using it. Okay, histogram is a type of bins. The bins parameter, how much intervals? Yes, you want your data in your code. Bins 5 means that data in grades will be divided into 5 bins. Each bin will have a range of values and histogram will show how many grades fall into this each range. Okay, so that it's same, it's the interval part that we just discussed about the entire thing. Okay, are you guys there with me so far? Are you guys with me? Okay, we are done with like histogram also. Okay, so bar graph, scatter plot, and then line graph. Now if you want to customize this particular line graph for the same output, then you can use something like this. Okay, we will see all the parameters one by one after I copy this. Days, temperature, color is equal to red, marker is equal to O. Instead of O, I want to do is like C. Okay, like first let's put O and see what happens. Line is like instead of fine, ठीक है, line width कितना होना चाहिए? Line width 1 होना चाहिए, ठीक है. I plt dot, again we will do the entire सम्मान सत्कार. It's like days versus temperature. Then we have plt dot x label label. It is like days. Then plt dot y label. Okay, it's like temperature. Fine, वो arrow भी आएगा, देखते हैं. plt dot show. Okay, so it will give us this entire output in that red color thing. So see, these O markers are being mentioned and your entire graph is being shown in this particular manner. Okay, now if you don't want to have this red green color, okay, so it will take green as an input. If you want to do blue color, you mention blue, it will take blue. If you don't want these O, we want X, we will do X. Okay, X as a marking line. See, understood? The point is like this is how you can change the entire line width is 1. I want to change the line width to 3. Okay, so it is now thicker lines that we have. Okay, I don't want to do this. I want to go back to O. So for each and every parameter you need to read about it and you will do. Okay, now if you don't want to show, if you want to save, I want something to be saved here so that I can download the PNG and send it to someone. So how will I do? I will just go, I will write down save here. So what will happen? क्या हुआ? plt dot save. Saving काम करना चाहिए ना. अच्छा, save fig. Okay, save figure to what is the name of this? The file is, अरे यार तुम लोग क्या एकदम स्ट्रेस में आ गए हो क्या? डोंट वरी गाइस, एकदम आराम से चलो. ओके, save this particular file, this image file, like as our graph dot png. Save this. Now I think it should be saved यार. Save हुआ क्या? Our graph dot png. I open this. देखो दिख रहा है. Okay, are you able to see this? I can actually download this part and I can attach this entire thing wherever I want. Clear? Sorted? Done? So these are the ways how you can visualize the data that you have just been playing with. Okay, whatever data you have been seeing, you guys can actually play with it using a Matplotlib. Okay, using Matplotlib. Sorted? This is what you will find in visualization part. Obviously these are the basic stuff. Okay, these are not the advanced things, not the animation in the graph and all. For those all other part, we are launching a proper data science program very soon, by 10th of December I think. You guys can enroll into that program, and that's where you will be able to learn a lot much of topics than the topics that you are seeing in this. Okay, clear? So that's the entire bit here. Now the people who are saying I'm not able to mark the attendance, just go to the description. Okay, I'll also go to description. Wait, fine, I'll go to description. Here is the registration wala link na. Oh shit guys, I don't have charging. I have only 13 minutes of charging left. enroll me into this program. Now see, in a while you guys will be able to download this particular entire certificate part. Is there anything else that is left for me to teach you from the curriculum? So if you have any doubts, please ask your doubts now. Now is the time that you guys can ask me doubts. Please go ahead, ask me doubts. It is taking actually time. इतना टाइम क्यों ले रहा है? एक बार रिफ्रेश करते हैं. ओके, रिफ्रेश किया तो हो गया. Now mark attendance. It will ask how much marks would you like to give. I am saying I am interested in this. Nothing. Submit attendance. Same goes here. I am submitting attendance. Okay. Nothing. I am saving attendance. मैंने कल भी attend किया था. Give 10 guys. If you guys give 10 then only बात बनता है. Or else it's okay. So Satvik is asking a question. Satvik is asking a particular question. Fine. That question is what? That question is okay. So here you will see a download certificate button as soon as I end this particular class. Hey, whosoever is moderating this particular session from LetsUpgrade side, please go ahead and turn on that complete download certificate ka button, right? All the people who have marked attendance, you guys can actually go and download certificate right now. Okay, fine. So let's take the first question of Satvik. Satvik is asking a question that is of a greater value. That is, can you df segment is equal to df web views map categories? I really want to know if the views in there, if he views in there is because we are sending in views, or why is it? Yes. So this is the parameter that we are sending into categories. Categories here, right? Categories is taking a particular data point. This data point, let's say it is v. I am changing it everywhere in this particular function, that is v. Okay. Now whenever you map this particular part, okay, so whenever you are mapping this particular thing v, what will happen? This will be like views dot categorize. Categorize is taking this current parameter and then generating this a column on the go known as segment. Okay, like this particular categories is taking this one parameter, and based on this parameter, this segment is creating the data on the go. That is what it is. Satvik, I hope your question is clear. सर मैं डेली करता हूँ अटेंडेंस मार्क, फिर आज क्या हो गया भाई? आज क्यों नहीं हो पा रहा? आज तो मेरा तेरे सामने हुआ ना. आई जस्ट डिड द अटेंडेंस मार्किंग थिंग इन फ्रंट ऑफ यू. ओके, मे बी रिफ्रेश, यू विल फाइंड, रिफ्रेश करो, कंट्रोल शिफ्ट आर करो, you will get it. Okay, what is the PC configuration required for data analytics? What is the PC configuration required for data analytics thing? I think here now you don't require that heavy machines, because whatever the power you need, you can actually get from Google Colab kind of systems. I say Google Colab. Instead of buying a very powerful machine, just buy a MacBook Air M1 or a M2, any one of those. Don't buy any other machine, just buy MacBook. And after buying MacBook, go ahead, maybe your 90% of the job will be done on MacBook. Okay, for the still the 10% of the job that for a kind of, you're actually working on a deep learning thing where you need GPU support and all, still MacBook will make it. But if you still need heavy power, then that's where Google Colab kind of systems come. Now That is the entire part. As I have only 10% of charging remaining with me, I will not take much time because I am not carrying my charger. I am in campus and in my office I have the charger. Here I don't have charger. Even my mobile is having 16% charging. Okay, I don't know if you guys can see this 16% charging. So, oh, fine, tough day. So that's the thing. Ahmed, the answer is for your thing. Sir, this much knowledge is sufficient to be data analytics person. This is see, I'll tell you what. As I told, who is a successful data analyst person? The analyst person is like who understands data, ask right set of questions, use these things what I said. The things what I even taught you, those are more than sufficient for you to go ahead and start working and take at least 2-3 gig projects. First, develop your skills on like data analysis skills first. Once you develop those skills, automatically using the skills itself, you will go ahead and learn lot of stuff. Okay. Whatever I have taught you is the 80% that you require. Rest 20% is your practice. Practice it. That's it. You already have a job. Already have a job at least in a gig economy as a data analyst, because there is nothing else apart from specific functions which you just know apart from what I taught. I mean, now you guys can feel it, right? कि यार data analysis इतना कुछ बड़ा तोप नहीं है यार जितना बोलते हैं. If you have clarity here, everything is easy. Okay. How to download a certificate, can anyone tell? Just nothing. You have to mark all the attendance, and I have to text someone, I think. Wait, 1 minute yaar. Just give me 1 minute. I'll text someone on my Slack. Operations team. Whosoever is managing the class, please publish certificates. Okay, done. I have texted. I think now we should get a answer. Okay, fine. यार ये तो आ ही नहीं रहा. अबे करो यार, लेके आओ भाई. Whoever is moderating, please. Sir, what is this? Sir, what is your word per minute? Acha, typing speed. I don't know, yaar. I have never counted. I mean, it will be very fun to count it. I have never counted that. But I know for sure one thing, that I type pretty fast. I mean, I've been doing that only. So I think I code fast, but need to check. Can you tell us about exception handling? It's a standard thing in here. It's like try, except, catch. These are the 3 phrases which we have in exception handling. Very basic thing. In my Python tutorials, I have already taught it. So please refer this advanced Python thing in the my tutorials. Sir, how much topic in Excel should I learn for data analysis? See, I'll tell you what. It's very simple that in Excel, you need to know the basic functionalities and all. You don't need anything more than that. You just need the basic functionality, like get the data. Once the data is with you, start playing with it. That's what you need to do. Get the data. Once the data is with you, start playing with it, applying filters, ask questions like what can I get out of this data? And that's it. You will automatically know things. Nothing else. भाई इतने सारे. अरे यार, who is handling this let's upgrade thing? Get me the certificates. What is the use of LU coins? Okay, how to become a student ambassador? Just go here, click on this particular button. You will be automatically in here. You can apply now also. If you apply now, you will be taken to our Google form. Just go fill this form and you will be in. Already people have won lots of money in our student ambassador program. Student ambassador program is all about referring about our programs to your friends and family members. And we have 3 tiers, that is gold, silver and bronze. And we send t-shirts and all like this. For example, if you want to see an image of that, maybe I'll show you. Tanishq, my last, this thing. Okay, I have only 5 minutes left. So this is the entire student ambassador thing. So kahan gaya wo? Ha. So these are the kind of swags that we send to people. So these are people who have mentioned something on LinkedIn tagging us. You can actually go ahead and check it. Okay guys, due to my less of battery power that I have right now with me, I need to end this class. But please hit refresh. Here you will be able to see, like I'll show you for my other programs, my programs. In this my programs, you'll be able to see, let's say which class I have, like let's say this. So generate button should be there here somewhere. अरे अच्छा, अभी तो ये नहीं, मैंने किसी में generate किया क्या? Did I generate in any one of the classes? Here I think. Download certificate. So see, download certificate button will come, and in the same download certificates, you can actually go ahead and download the certificate and use it for your purpose. Okay, clear? That's it. So I'm not yet seeing this download certificate. Okay, अभी मेरा actually में battery खत्म हो रहा है. So thanks a lot every one of you. LetsUpgrade offers a complete course on this. Watch out for our like new course launch, which is going to happen post to this 10th. It is on data analytics and data science purpose only. So looking forward to meet every one of you there. Thanks a lot. Love you all. Take care. Whatever I have taught, use it for the good purpose. Practice it, and I am sure that you will take it to the next level. Thank you, and be connected. Connect me on Instagram and LinkedIn. Both the places I am available for you all. Okay. And one more new programming language which has come very now. That programming language is known as Mojo. Have a look at this programming language. It is very cool. It is a programming language for AI first. Just have a look at it. Chalo guys, bye bye. Take care. Have a nice day, and meet you all guys later. Bye. Fine. Generate your certificate as soon as this is done. Bye.